Hello team, I'm Chris Johnson, your operations lead at Streamline Logistics. Today, we're focusing on optimizing our warehouse operations. This session will cover key strategies for increasing efficiency and reducing operational errors. First, proper inventory management is crucial. It's not just about keeping track of stock, but also about predicting demand.
Absolutely, Chris. We've implemented a new software for real-time inventory tracking.
And by analyzing past trends, we can anticipate future demands more accurately.
Effective inventory management combines technology and data analysis to minimize shortages and overstocking. Next, let's look at our order fulfillment process. Speed and accuracy are key here.
We started zone picking to reduce travel time within the warehouse.
And with our new scanning system, packing errors have significantly decreased.
By streamlining our picking and packing, we enhance overall productivity and reduce the likelihood of errors. Now let's address safety and compliance in our operations. Safety is non-negotiable.
We conduct weekly safety drills and have updated our emergency response protocols.
And we're consistently reviewing our operations against industry regulations.
Maintaining a safe and compliant workspace is essential for protecting our staff and upholding operational integrity. Remember, our collective efforts in operations are key to maintaining the high standards of Streamline Logistics. Thank you for your dedication to operational excellence.